Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. Now I will show you how to delete status from WhatsApp on iPhone. Please watch the video till the end. Please subscribe to the channel. Like it. Let's get started. To do this, we need to go to WhatsApp on our iPhone or iPad. Then here we have contacts, calls, chats, settings. We press updates. And then we have our status on top of that. We can click to view it. And if we want to delete, we click here on the three dots. There's delete, and we can click delete one status. We can also select at the top by clicking on edit. If we have more than one status, we can select more than one. And then we can click delete one status at the bottom. After that, we press done, and our status will be deleted. If you liked this video helped, you can put a like, subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching. See you later. Goodbye.